We are at the Cougar booth. It is pretty loud over here, but we're going to get a little intro to all of their cases in the high-end PC gaming market.
Hello, my name is Alexander, and I'm here to introduce Cougar gaming cases for you. So today I would like to start with this model. It's our new model. It's Gemini X. It's a dual system. This is a unique concept of the case with two parts. One is built for gamer to play, another is for streamer. So to make stream. So it's a dual system. It can support two power supplies here, and as you see the design, it can be horizontal and it can be also vertical. Yeah, so we can put it in all locations. It's a very amazing cooling. So you can see it's amazing cooling. We have it's but it's very difficult to build because you need to make all your cables this way to make it very beautiful. So when we have reviews about this case, it's only for professional. We should say if you're a beginner, don't even try. Don't even try. Yeah, but for professional, if you can build it, that's amazing machine. Another case that we did an open concept case is it's a Cougar Conquer. Conquer, this case is amazing because it comes with it's like here is aluminum frame, aluminum, not metal, aluminum, and here is tempered glass from both sides. So what's unique about this case? It's open concept. It makes you a lot of fun, a lot of crazy lights. It's a mid tower, but it's quite huge. It looks really huge. And if you have animals, cats, dogs, you need to keep it on other direction. So all cases are very unique. It's a very unique design, very unique features, but some things you need to pay attention when you pick up the case from the Cougar, because Cougar is focused on something unique, something different from all other competitors. Another case we will introduce to you is a Gemini T. Why is it T? Because when it opens, it's two sides. It looks like it's T capital, like you see. This case is really nice, and you can have a very strong build with all lights, with the cooling, and here you can see Cougar water cooling here. Yeah, so CPU cooling. So that's really nice, Cougar fans. And I want to tell you that you can use this remote control. You can connect, of course, you can connect directly to the motherboard, but you can use this remote control to adjust all your lights, just to amaze your friends with what you want to show them, what colors, whatever you like. Yes. And finally, today I would like to introduce you another case. That is really strong and powerful edition of it's a full tower case, Panzer EVA RGB. So it comes with handles, it comes with a tempered glass on all sides. It's very easy to get into the case. You just open these bolts here and go inside, and you can see, and you can upgrade it as you want. And of course, it's very nice polish. Everything is so incredible. And we try to do this very good MSRP. So for $200, it's really something very unique on the market. And it comes, by the way, with all three RGB fans and a Core box. You can connect and expand your build. It comes with this remote control, so that's really unique. So when we consider Cougar, you should pay attention that it's it's a German brand, it's a German design, it's some unique features. It's not mass market, as we see from most of the brands presented, but it's more like boutique brand with boutique features. If you like, if you have dogs, animals, you can try this one. It will be unique. Okay. Thank you.